Welcome to Shona land. In Shona we say, Tinokuchingamedzai ku Shona land. In today's video, we are going to teach you how to use the phrase he or she said in Shona sentences. Keep watching. He or she said, when it's translated to Shona, becomes akati, or alternatively it becomes akataura kuti. Akataura kuti. Akataura kuti. Let's use this Shona translation in example sentences so that you can get a feel of how they are actually implemented when used in Shona. He or she said, come home. Akati uyakumba. Akati uyakumba. So as you have noticed, he or she said, when it's translated to Shona, becomes genderless. Whether it's he or whether it's she that is being used, it all gets translated to the same thing. So he or she said is translated to akati. It doesn't matter whether it's he said or she said, it all gets translated to akati. Come home. Come in Shona it's uya. Home it's kumba. Akati uya kumba. Alternatively, it can be translated to akataura kuti uya kumba. Akataura kuti uya kumba. He or she said he or she was sick. So he said he was sick or she said she was sick. In Shona, akati airwara. Akati airwara. He or she said becomes akati. He or she was sick. Airwara. Airwara. Alternatively, it can be akataura kuti airwara. Akataura kuti airwara. And this brings us to the quiz section of this class. And today's quiz question is, can you translate this sentence into Shona? John said, come home. Is it A, John akati uyakumba? John akati uyakumba? Or is it B, John akataura kuti uyakumba? Pause this video and try this quiz question out. And the answer is A, John akati uyakumba. John akati uyakumba. And guess what? B is also correct. John akataura kuti uyakumba. So for our quiz question today, both A and B are correct translations of John said, come home. Let me know in the comment section below if you got this quiz question right. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to our videos. For the love of Shona, Ndatenda. See you in the next one.